For our next piece of painting, let's use Ruler 2 by typing Ruler 2 and pressing enter. Notice it still shows you where 0 is and 50 is and 100 is, but it doesn't make marks on the screen. So right now let's just test and find X, Y, and let's go 10 over 10 up, and look at that. Our turtle has the bottom center of them inside the house. Let's type set FC the number 4 and type fill, and notice the house is painted. When you've completed that step, go to the next training movie to learn how to add it to house.